subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, now we talk about Amazon's new product. It's a screenless fitness band. Now, Amazon released a new Halo product called the Halo View that rights some of the wrongs of the original model. Halo View Band. First, it has an AMOLED display that shows health metrics such as your current activity, your sleep score, your blood oxygen level, live workout info, stay active alerts, and more. Second, it ditches the microphone, so you won't have to worry about your fitness tracker spying on you. Thanks to these two changes, Halo View not only actually looks like other fitness trackers, but it also ditches the controversial feature that gave many pause about the first product. Halo View contains multiple health sensors, including an optical heart rate and blood oxygen sensor, a skin temperature sensor, and an accelerometer. It's also lightweight, water resistant up to 5 atm, lasts for up to 7 days on a single charge, and fully recharges in under 90 minutes. Amazon is also expanding its suite of health tracking features included with a Halo membership. Halo Fitness adds hundreds of exclusive, studio-quality workouts that members can choose from while working out, according to Amazon's press release. Meanwhile, Halo Nutrition offers personalized, time-saving tools to discover delicious, nutrient-rich recipes or helpful suggestions to plan out a week of healthful eating. Halo Fitness features will start rolling out to members within the Halo app later this year. Halo Nutrition features, on the other hand, will be available starting January 2022. Amazon is offering 3 sport band color options with a Halo View purchase: Active Black, Sage Green, and Lavender Dream. Sport bands will be available for $14.99 each, while fabric bands, leather bands, and metal bands will be available for $29.99 each. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then subscribe to our channel. You will continue to get such interesting videos every day on this channel.